Welcome to Galactic Secrets. In today's episode, we're diving deep into one of the most controversial and intriguing subjects of modern times: alien abductions and close encounters. For decades, people worldwide have reported strange and often terrifying experiences involving extraterrestrial beings, ranging from unexplained abductions to witnessing bizarre craft in the sky. In this video, we'll explore the science behind these reports, examine the skeptical perspectives, and investigate some of the most famous cases of alleged alien abductions. Get ready to explore the boundary between fact and fiction, the known and the unknown. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and share this video with your friends and family so you never miss an episode. Section 1. The history of alien abductions and close encounters. Alien abductions and close encounters have fascinated the public for generations. The first widespread report of an alien abduction was that of Betty and Barney Hill in 1961. Their account involved being taken aboard a spacecraft by non-human entities, marking the start of a phenomenon that would spark intense debate, media coverage, and research for decades to come. We will begin by tracing the history of alien abduction stories, looking at how these reports evolved from simple sightings of unidentified flying objects, UFOs, to detailed narratives of abduction, examination, and contact with beings from other planets. We'll also dive into the classification system created by J. Allen Hynek, who introduced the terms close encounters of the first, second, and third kind. This framework helps us categorize and understand the different types of interactions people claim to have had with extraterrestrials, from distant sightings to physical contact. Moreover, we'll cover the expansion of abduction lore into popular culture during the mid-20th century, which saw an explosion of UFO sightings, abduction stories, and governmental interest in the subject, ultimately leading to government investigations like Project Blue Book and secretive military programs. Section 2. The science of alien abductions. Alien abductions may seem otherworldly, but they have attracted the attention of scientists, psychologists, and neuroscientists who seek to explain these phenomena through a scientific lens. One popular theory revolves around sleep paralysis, a condition where a person, while falling asleep or waking up, experiences an inability to move and may hallucinate, often seeing frightening figures or feeling a presence in the room. These experiences share many similarities with abduction narratives. Additionally, studies in false memories and suggestibility have provided insight into how hypnosis, regression therapy, and leading questions can cause people to remember events that never actually happened. We will explore how individuals' memories of abduction experiences are often fragmented and why they are commonly recovered through hypnosis, a technique that skeptics argue can distort memory rather than recovery. From a cultural standpoint, science fiction has had an undeniable influence on the imagery of alien abductions, leading to recurring motifs of grays, flying saucers, and advanced medical examinations. Aspects of mass hysteria and media influence will also be examined to explain how UFO stories spread and evolved. Section 3. The skeptical viewpoint. Despite the many believers, alien abduction stories have faced significant skepticism from the scientific community. In this section, we'll present the critical arguments posed by scientists, skeptics, and debunkers who question the reality of these claims. One major issue is the lack of physical evidence. While thousands of people report abductions, there is often little to no tangible proof to back up their stories. We'll examine theories that suggest many abduction experiences are the result of hallucinations, misinterpretations of dreams, or psychological conditions. Others argue that the increasing presence of alien abduction stories in media, films, and books has led to a form of social contagion, where people's expectations shape their experiences and memories. Skeptics also argue that there are often simpler, earthbound explanations for strange lights in the sky, missing time, and unusual marks on the body. Finally, we will discuss prominent skeptic researchers such as Michael Shermer and Carl Sagan, who have long criticized the lack of rigorous scientific evidence to support claims of alien abduction and have called for extraordinary evidence to justify these extraordinary claims. Section 4. Famous cases of alien abductions throughout history. A few cases have become the centerpiece of the alien abduction narrative. We will explore the most famous and influential of these stories, starting with the Betty and Barney Hill case, often considered the first widely publicized alien abduction. Their account included claims of missing time, unexplained memories, and medical examinations, all taking place aboard an alien craft. Another famous case is the Travis Walton abduction, which occurred in 1975 and was later turned into the film Fire in the Sky. Walton claimed to have been taken aboard a spaceship after a close encounter while working with a logging crew. His disappearance for several days before his dramatic reappearance only fueled the mystery. We'll also touch on cases from around the world, such as the Antonio Vilas Boas incident in Brazil, where the victim claimed to have been abducted and subjected to a series of strange tests by humanoid aliens. These cases, often dismissed by skeptics, remain hot topics of discussion and investigation within UFO communities. Section 5. Government involvement in UFO research. Alien abductions are often linked to UFO sightings, which have garnered attention from governments around the world. In this section, we'll delve into the involvement of governmental and military agencies in UFO research, from the U.S. Air Force's Project Blue Book to the more recent revelations about the Pentagon's secretive Advanced Aerospace Threat Identification Program, AATIP. We'll explore what these investigations uncovered, how they contributed to both the belief in alien visitation and skepticism, and how the government's acknowledgement of UFOs has only deepened public fascination with the possibility of extraterrestrial encounters. In recent years, declassified documents have provided insight into official investigations of UFO sightings, abduction claims, and unexplained phenomena. These documents, while often ambiguous, have reignited debate about the seriousness with which the government takes extraterrestrial encounters and abductions. Section 6. Believers and personal experiences. Despite skepticism and a lack of definitive evidence, millions of people believe in alien abductions and close encounters. In this section, we'll hear from believers who stand by their stories of abduction, regardless of scientific skepticism. We'll explore their accounts, examining why they remain convinced of their experiences despite the absence of hard proof. For many, these encounters are life-altering, influencing their outlook on the universe and humanity's place within it. We'll also discuss the growing online and offline communities that support abductees and provide a space for them to share their stories, search for answers, and seek validation from others who've had similar experiences. Conclusion section. In the end, whether alien abductions and close encounters are real or imagined, they continue to captivate and mystify people worldwide. While science tends to lean towards skepticism, the allure of these strange phenomena remains strong, keeping the mystery alive. Are these experiences real visitations from beings beyond our world, or simply products of the mind's ability to conjure extraordinary experiences? The truth may remain elusive, but the conversation is far from over. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Galactic Secrets, hit that notification bell, and share this video with your friends and family. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the mysteries of space, extraterrestrial life, and the unexplained wonders of our universe.